Good morning, guys. So today is donation day. So after I'm done jogging, I'm definitely going to donate some stuff to the Salvation Army and the Children's Home. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have. Right here I have a box with slightly new curtains, uh lotion, um vanity tray. There are more stuff in the box, books and toys in the car that I'm going to take to the orphanage today. So yeah, I'm going to jog first and then I'm going to donate these stuff and head back. Okay, so I am to my journey. I'm gonna have to start using the ice ice in the morning for the bags. It was helping when I used to do it. It was helping, so I'm gonna start doing it back again. Yeah. Whew. Yeah, so this is what my physique looks like. Uh, yeah. And this is just beautiful. I just love nature. One of the cheapest therapy ever. Like just seeing birds, just seeing trees. I so love this. Um, it's always the smallest things that matters to me in life, and stuff like this do matters to me. That is why I was so in love with my apartment when I bought it, because it's like around nature. Yeah. You see birds, you see exotic animals. I like that type of stuff. Yeah, I have to live in places that has nature because it's what I love. It's what bring me peace. Yes, by the way, guys, my face is clearing up. Yes. This is day 3 on my meds, by the way, and I feel much better. I did not take my night tablet last time because it makes me too drowsy, and I wake up very early this morning and felt very motivated. So I guess I'll just skip out the night pill, just take the day one. So yeah, the pills kind of making me better. So yeah, I notice every time I come here, I hear them things. I think they're crickets. They're annoying as hell. Yeah, so I didn't plan to do all of the journey today because I think it was yesterday I did all of it. I'm doing half today, and then I'm gonna do the donations. Yeah. Yeah. this helps your mental health. Some people would be like, oh, pray, go to the church. I'm gonna be honest, I rather to do this than to go in a church whenever I'm feeling down or depressed. I rather to take a nature walk or a jog and read my Bible in private, you know? Yeah, I prefer to do something like that than to go to church where there's people, judgmental people, coming here. Even if people is around jogging, you feel like you're in a little world by yourself, but you're still surrounded by people, and it's very peaceful. So I always put nature over religion or going to a church for my mental health. I just say over religion because yes, I will read the Bible, but going to a church, no. I think people forget that it's still people in church, and when I say still people in church, it means that it's still people, like still people with different ways, different character. That's in church. It's not all angels in church. You have very demonic people in church. So that environment can be very triggering when you're very fragile. I'm very fragile whenever I'm having my mental breakdown. So this is, peace for me. Yeah. I want some salad today though, guys. I feel for salad. Yeah. Let me go. There is a mockingbird somewhere close, but I can't find him, guys. He is pecking the wood, but he's like up in a tall tree, so I can't really find him. Hi. Yeah. You hear him? I can't find him though. Like, why is he hiding? He is like hiding. There is a woodpecker somewhere in these trees, but I can't. People are disgusting. Like, why did they throw that trash down there? It was so nasty. Do you think I'm weird for liking stuff like this? Or I'm boring? I see people be bashing me for saying I like nature because of, just my job. They think I'm supposed to like cook and wild orgies. I don't know. I don't know. They think I'm supposed to like cook and backdoor activities every day. And yeah, probably that's what they think I do. Cooking and yeah, I don't know. But my life is just like me battling depression. I try to eat healthy. I try to get back on my feet every day with my business. I shoot every now and then, but not always. Because I'm not like mainstream adult industry, but I do get the privilege to shoot with some people when I choose, whoever I choose. So that's it. I don't have a boyfriend. I don't have a girlfriend. I do have close friends and associates that, check up on me sometimes. But my life is just like mostly this nature. Yeah, even when I'm in Miami, I try to jog. I try to still exercise and, I go to like aerial class. I try to go to a museum, stuff like that. Yeah, I'm not doing RGs every day. Well, I never done an RG before. I wonder what's that like. Yeah. I'll probably do an RG one day. Not sure. Not sure. Not sure. I'll see. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the headquarters and I'm going inside. I have a drop box here. Ooh. Mm. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, Salvation Army. Yeah. Oh, they do pickups too. So guys, if you want to donate to Salvation Army, that's the number for pickups. Donate today. So I have a weird confession, guys. This stuff has been in my car for about 4 months. Yeah, 4 months. 4 months. Now I have the books to drop off at the orphanage, and I think it's $1, rag doll. It's saying it's 34 minutes. That's insane. Let's go though. I'm here, guys. I'm here, and I'm going to donate. Finally, finally, finally. Yes. Yes. So that was good. I'm so hungry right now, guys. I'm going to get some food right now. And then I'm heading home to bathe. And I don't know, get ready for my appointment lives. I'm going to do some work. Yeah, but today is a blessed day. Feeling blessed. And this is my lunch, guys. So, yes. Today was a decent day. The day is not finished as yet, but this is what I'm gonna eat. And I'll talk to you guys later on. Look out for the next video. Thank you so much. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.